everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back, everyone. Well, today we're going to cook some curry chicken. And I'm going to show you the best way to cook curry chicken. Yeah! Let's go. I'm showing you guys and telling you what I put in my curry chicken. If you look, you can here, you'll see my Irish potato. It's white potato, and my carrots. So I put carrots and white potato because if after cooking this, then I don't have to put anything like cornstarch or anything for thickening, because the potato is gonna get soft, and it's gonna make the thickness that I need, and also the carrots. And also the carrots look pretty in your curry chicken. I also put onion, thyme, and scallion, and I put a little olive oil. And if your chicken has a lot of fat, or you put a lot of skin in there, you don't need any oil for this curry chicken. But because I skin my chicken, most of it is, the skin is off. The skin is off, so that I don't have to put any oil if I didn't skin my chicken. And then I'm gonna cook this. Just cover it and steam it down, and just let it cook away, and just use a fork and touch it, and when it's finished, you have a nice curry chicken. So my curry chicken is finished. Looks pretty, as you can see. You can still see like my carrot and some of the potato, but most of it is mashed out, so I don't have to put any cornstarch in this gravy. It's already thick enough. And so subscribe and like and hit the notification bell on YouTube, and follow us on Instagram. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching what I cook. We appreciate you. Bye. Mwah.